This is a video tutorial and lesson guide on creating a new Illustrator document. Feel free to work along with the video and pause and play as needed. Topics covered will be creating a new document, page attributes, vector art, the Illustrator environment. The first time you start up Illustrator, this Welcome Home Start workspace will appear. You will have the option to either create a new custom document or create a new document utilizing a preset as seen here. You can also open existing documents, or if this is not the first time using Illustrator, recently used documents will also appear here. Let's select Create New. This will take us to the New Document dialog box. There are several options of types of documents we can create. For the purposes of our lesson today, we will choose Print. Within the Print section, there are suggested or commonly used presets. Select Letter. As you can see, this document is measured in points, not in inches or pixels. Points are the general rule or unit of measure in print environments. On the right, let's first give this document a name. Please name it your name _ ill shapes. Naming your document merely gives it a temporary name, but has not saved the document anywhere. Below that, let's change the unit of measure to inches. And the numbers will change to reflect inches. In this area, you may also choose to change the page orientation from portrait to landscape. In later exercises, we will explore bleed and margins, but for now, click Create. This will open the letter-sized document in a workspace. What you see is a graphical representation of your document page, and in Illustrator, we refer to this page as the artboard. Any graphics on the artboard will print. Unlike Photoshop, we can put things outside the artboard and we will see them. In Photoshop, anything not on the canvas will not be seen. The Illustrator environment is similar to Photoshop, but it is an entirely different program. Some tools appear to be the same. In Photoshop, there are vector tools, but it is a bitmap raster program which uses continuous tone images through pixels. Illustrator uses mathematical algorithms to create vector graphics. We plot points and Illustrator connects the dots with vector lines. These lines are infinitely scalable without loss or degradation. Let's start by saving your document. You will be able to use this document for the next lesson. Go to File, Save, and save it to your hard drive or flash drive. The keyboard shortcut to save on a Mac is Command-S, on a PC, Control-S. Since we have already named the document, it will be shown in the Save As dialog box. However, it will add a .ai suffix to it. AI is the native format for Adobe Illustrator documents. This dialog box will give us the option to save it as a previous version. Click OK. In the Illustrator environment, we do not have the options bar as we do in Photoshop. Instead, we have here in Illustrator a similar bar called the control bar. The control bar does not always appear by default. Also, in some Windows environments, the application frame does not appear. That is this background behind the document window. To activate or deactivate either the control bar or the application frame, go to the Window menu and select Application Frame or Control. Just like in Photoshop, on the left we have our toolbar and color picker. And on the right side, we have all of our panels and panel sets. To find more, go to the Window menu and select the appropriate panel. Keep this document open and refer to the video Creating and Manipulating Shapes and Colors in Illustrator.